In this video, I will show you how to fix FPL not letting you log in problem. So for that, first of all, go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Premier League. Then check if there is any update available. If there is, then make sure your app is updated to its latest version. Next thing is that if you are trying to use PL on your Chrome or in any web browser, then try downloading the app and using it. And if you are trying to use PL on your app and you're not able to log in, simply open up Chrome, search for Fantasy Premier League, and then try logging in from the browser. Or the next thing is that ensure that your credentials are correct. And one more reason that you're not able to log in could be if there is a new account or a new season, then you might have to account activate. For that, simply check your email. There you will find an account activation link. Simply click on it and then you will be able to log into your FPL. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.